I joined QSpiders before 8 months and I studied hard. After that, the faculties are very motivating and they are so helpful. I am good in subjects too, so that I have attended many interviews. For more than 12 interviews, 13 interviews I attended. After that, I cleared one. After 8 months, now I am an employee in one company. QSpiders provided lots of requirements to me. They help us in the more way. So that and the teaching level also good. The faculty's teaching all so good, so that everyone could easily understand. So thank you for providing this many opportunities to me and help me to get placed. Thank you.